Hello, cooking lovers! Today we will make this mouth-watering oven-grilled pork ribs. You need these ingredients: yellow mustard, soy sauce, meat tenderizer, coriander powder, paprika powder, magic jiconi, a mix of spices, ginger powder, Himalayan pink salt, cayenne pepper, Berbeque sauce, and apple cider vinegar. Thoroughly mix the ingredients in a bowl to make the seasoning. I don't care, so call me crazy. Apply the seasoning evenly on the ribs. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams I keep. Apply some mustard to make it more tender and juicy. I think of what the world could be, a vision. Wrap it with an aluminum foil and chill it. After a few hours, the pork ribs are ready to grill. Grill for 40 minutes to 100 degrees Celsius heat. The ribs are almost ready. One more step to go. Looks juicy, right? Let's apply some barbecue sauce to enhance the taste. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. Then grill for 10 more minutes. Your ribs are now ready. It's a culinary treat that will leave you craving for more. You can serve it with your favorite side dish. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away.